What two types of weights are suspended from the meter scale in the procedure? A. Known and unknown weights. B. Hot and cold weights. C. Heavy and light weights. D. Magnetic and non-magnetic weights. The correct answer is A. Known and unknown weights. Despite their variety, what do all cell types share? A. Common characteristic features. B. The same size. C. Identical organelles. D. The same shape. The correct answer is A. Common characteristic features. Approximately how much blood do nephrons filter per day? A. 90 to 100 liters. B. 130 to 140 liters. C. 200 to 210 liters. D. 170 to 180 liters. The correct answer is D. 170 to 180 liters. Which element could not be given a proper position in the periodic table? A. Hydrogen. B. Helium. C. Nitrogen. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. Hydrogen. What does V represent in the apparent frequency equation N is equal to V plus V underscore L, V underscore S, N? A. Velocity of the source. B. Velocity of sound waves. C. Velocity of the listener. D. Velocity of the observer. The correct answer is B. Velocity of sound waves. How can the expansion of liquids be observed? A. By measuring the mass of a liquid. B. By placing a solid in warm water. C. By observing a thermometer in warm water. D. By cooling a liquid to its freezing point. The correct answer is C. By observing a thermometer in warm water. What is the angle of incidence when the angle of reflection is 0O? A. 0O. B. 45O. C. 90O. D. 180O. The correct answer is A. 0O. Which type of selection is used to obtain the progeny of a single individual obtained by self-breeding? A. Mass selection. B. Mutation breeding. C. Hybridization. D. Pure line selection. The correct answer is D. Pure line selection. Which field of study focuses on fungi? A. Botany. B. Zoology. C. Mycology. D. Phycology. The correct answer is C. Mycology. What is the purpose of the electromagnetic coils in the discharge tube setup? A. To control the gas pressure. B. To vary the magnetic field. C. To coat the screen. D. To generate the high voltage. The correct answer is B. To vary the magnetic field. What is another name for water gas? A. Syngas. B. LPG. C. Natural gas. D. Biogas. The correct answer is A. Syngas. What is myocardial infarction? A. A sudden increase in blood pressure. B. Hardening of the arteries. C. Death of the heart muscle tissue. D. Reduced blood flow to the brain. The correct answer is C. Death of the heart muscle tissue. Pitch of a sound depends on the vibration. A. Medium of. B. Speed of. C. Amplitude of. D. Frequency of. The correct answer is D. Frequency of. What is the result of ethylene stimulating the formation of an abscission zone? A. Accelerated root growth. B. Premature shading. C. Delayed flowering. D. Increased nutrient absorption. The correct answer is B. Premature shading. What condition must be constant for Ohm's law to apply? A. The type of metal. B. The length of the wire. C. The temperature of the conductor. D. The resistance of the conductor. The correct answer is C. The temperature of the conductor. What is the range of graduation on a lactometer mentioned in the text? A. 1 to 10. B. 0 to 100. C. 15 to 45. D. 50 to 100. The correct answer is C. 15 to 45. Which component of 3-methylheptane indicates that it is an alkane? A. Ane. B. Hept. C. 3. D. 3-methyl. The correct answer is A. Ane. What is the primary function of a biofertilizer? A. Indicate environmental quality. B. Control white flies. C. Act as a biorepellent. D. Improve soil fertility. The correct answer is D. Improve soil fertility. What is the sharp, triangular iron strip on a plough called? A. Plough blade. B. Plough handle. C. Plough point. D. Ploughshare. The correct answer is D. Ploughshare. What does a spreadsheet consist of? A. Only rows. B. Pages and documents. C. Only columns. D. Rows and columns. The correct answer is D. Rows and columns. What term describes a medium with low optical density? A. Denser medium. B. Rarer medium. C. Opaque medium. D. Absorbing medium. The correct answer is B. Rarer medium. Which of the following organisms are hermaphrodite? A. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, Balanoglossus. B. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, Amphioxus. C. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, lizard. D. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, Ascidian. The correct answer is D. Hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, Ascidian. Which change listed is considered undesirable? A. Burning of kerosene. B. Condensation of water vapor. C. Rotting of an egg. D. Trimming of hair. The correct answer is C. Rotting of an egg. How much barium chloride is used to prepare 100 milliliters of a 5% solution? A. 5 grams. B. 10 grams. C. 2 grams. D. 1 gram. The correct answer is A. 5 grams. Which cells are responsible for providing nutrition to developing sperm? A. Sertoli cells. B. Primary germ cells. C. Leydig cells. D. Spermatogonia. The correct answer is A. Sertoli cells. Where are sweat glands mentioned to be present? A. On the palm. B. On the feet only. C. On the back. D. On the scalp. The correct answer is A. On the palm. Which process separates the various constituents of petroleum? A. Filtration. B. Fractional distillation. C. Precipitation. D. Evaporation. The correct answer is B. Fractional distillation. If the gang is basic, what type of flux should be added? A. An inert gas. B. Acidic flux. C. Neutral flux. D. Basic flux. The correct answer is B. Acidic flux. How do sounds reach a doctor's ears in a stethoscope? A. By direct transmission through a solid rod. B. Through single absorption within the tube. C. By multiple reflections in the connecting tube. D. Via electromagnetic waves. The correct answer is C. By multiple reflections in the connecting tube. What allows electrons to start flowing from a charged object? A. Exposure to light. B. Insulation around the object. C. A conducting path. D. A decrease in temperature. The correct answer is C. A conducting path. How did you score?